Chapter 1. Introduction, the ultimate question. In the previous video, we provided you with a professional guide to optimize your Hyra AI Node performance. We taught you strategies to maximize uptime and improve your reputation. But as many of you rightly pointed out in the comments, we left open a very important question. Which hardware truly delivers the best return on investment? Is starting with a cheap gaming PC better? Should you invest in a top-tier GPU machine? Or can a sleek and efficient Mac Studio compete with the PC world? Welcome back to Hyra Deep Dive. Today, we answer that question with data. We will put different hardware configurations to the test in the ultimate Hyra AI Node Showdown. Over the next 30 minutes, we will compare gross earnings, calculate electricity costs, and determine the real profits and ROI of each. This data-driven analysis will help you decide which hardware fits your train-to-earn journey. Chapter 2. Meet the fighters and our methodology. To make this a fair fight, we set up 4 distinct hardware configurations representing common user scenarios. Fighter A, the budget builder. Concept, a low-end or older gaming PC. Specs, Intel Core, i5 CPU, 16GB RAM, and GeForce RTX 3060 Ti GPU. Cost, estimated around $800, $1,000 USD. Goal, to see the profit for beginners with minimal investment. Fighter B, the prosumer powerhouse. Concept, a high-performance modern gaming and workstation PC. Specs, AMD, Ryzen 9 CPU, 32GB RAM, and powerful GeForce RTX 4080 GPU. Cost, estimated around $2,500, $3,000 USD. Goal, to test the earning potential of a top-tier setup. Fighter C, the Apple Silicon Challenger. Concept, a Mac Studio representing the Apple ecosystem. Specs, Apple M2 Ultra chip with integrated GPU and neural engine. Cost, estimated around $4,000 USD. Goal, to see how Apple's unique architecture performs in the train-to-earn model. Our methodology. To ensure a fair comparison, we ran a simulation of all 4 nodes operating on the Hyra AI network over a 30-day period under identical network conditions. We analyzed 2 main metrics. 1. Gross Hyra income, total tokens earned from completed tasks. 2. Net profit and ROI. We calculated net profit by subtracting estimated electricity costs based on the U.S. average rate of 17 kWh from gross income. Then, we used this to estimate the hardware's return on investment, ROI time. The results might surprise you. Let's start the showdown. Chapter 3. The Showdown, Results and Analysis. After 30 days of simulated operation, the results are in. Let's analyze each fighter. Analysis. The budget builder, RTX 3060. Gross income. The RTX 3060 performed admirably, completing a large volume of general compute tasks and some lower-level AI inference work. It earned a respectable amount of Hyra. Profit. With lower power consumption, electricity costs were very manageable. Net profit was very good. Drawback. Its 8GB VRAM means it does not qualify for the most complex and highest-paying AI model training tasks. Its earning potential has a clear limit. Earnings. Conclusion. A great starting point with low risk. Profitable from day 1, but not a top earner. Analysis. The prosumer powerhouse, RTX 4080. Gross income. Here we see a big difference. The RTX 4080's power and large VRAM allow it to qualify for and complete the most lucrative AI training tasks. Its gross Hyra income was 3 times higher than the budget builder. Profit. This performance comes at a price. Its power consumption is significantly higher. However, the large volume of high-value tasks means its net profit still far exceeds the budget build. Drawback: the high initial hardware cost means a longer ROI period. Conclusion: the undisputed king of gross income. This is the choice for those serious about maximizing long-term profits. Analysis: the Apple Silicon Challenger, Mac Studio. Gross income: the Mac Studio showed interesting results. It excelled in tasks that could leverage its specific architecture, such as media encoding or tasks optimized for the neural engine, earning money very efficiently. Profit: its energy efficiency is remarkable. Electricity costs were the lowest among the high-performance contenders, leading to very good net profit margins. Drawback: the current decentralized AI landscape is heavily dominated by NVIDIA's CUDA platform. This means the Mac Studio does not qualify for some of the most popular advanced training tasks. Its income is less consistent, but very efficient when tasks match its strengths. Conclusion: an efficient machine. If you are already in the Apple ecosystem, it's a great and highly efficient way to put your machine to work. But for pure flexibility in today's AI market, a PC GPU still holds the advantage. Chapter 4. Conclusion: which hardware is right for you? So, after all the data, who is the winner? The answer is, it depends on you. There is no single best configuration, only the best configuration for your goal and budget. If you are a beginner or want a low-risk start, choose the Budget Builder. You will be profitable and can gain experience before upgrading. If your goal is to maximize long-term gross profits and you have capital, the prosumer powerhouse is the undisputed champion. The investment will pay off over time through superior earnings. If you are a creative professional or already own a powerful Mac, the Apple Silicon Challenger is a great and highly efficient way to put your machine to work. As more AI models become optimized for Apple Silicon, its potential will only grow. It's important to understand your own financial situation, local electricity costs, and your long-term goals in the train-to-earn economy. Chapter 5. Conclusion and Community Database. The results are clear. Your hardware choice has a big impact on your earning potential in the Hyra AI network. A powerful GPU is the biggest driver of rewards, but profit is a complex calculation of hardware costs, electricity, and the types of tasks your machine can perform. But our test is just one data point. To truly understand the landscape, we need the power of the community. I call on everyone currently running or planning to run a Hyra node. Please share your hardware configurations and experiences in the comments below. What GPU are you using? What income levels are you seeing? Let's build a community-driven database to help everyone make smarter decisions. If you found this data-driven showdown valuable, support us by hitting like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for joining the Hyra AI Node Showdown. See you in the next deep dive video.